Could Coinbase stock be the crypto market's ultimate signal? Its price is soaring after smashing earnings. Rumors say it might join the S&P 500. Meanwhile, Trump's pro-crypto vibes are heating up the space. Bitcoin's pushing all-time highs, and altcoins are waking up. But is Coinbase the spark for a massive bull run, or just hype? This isn't just about one stock, it's about your portfolio's future. Stick around as we dive into how Coinbase is shaking up crypto, backed by the latest news and hard data. You'll want to hear this before making your next move. Let's go. Hey, I'm Rafa, and welcome back to Crypto Yield Pro. So, how Coinbase stock could be the key to predicting crypto's next big move. Coinbase isn't just any exchange, it's the biggest in the US, and its stock is like a crystal ball for the industry. When it's up, crypto often follows. When it's down, things get shaky. And right now, with Coinbase crushing earnings and whispers of joining the S&P 500, plus Trump's crypto-friendly policies, the stakes are higher than ever. Let's start with the big news. Coinbase just dropped their Q4 2024 earnings, and they're insane. Revenue hit $2.27 billion, up 138% from last year. That's not just growth, that's a full-on explosion. And earnings per share? $4.68, smashing Wall Street's guess of $2.11. This is a signal that Coinbase is firing on all cylinders. Now, where's the money coming from? Trading fees are still king, making up about 50% of revenue. But here's the truth. Their subscription and services revenue, like staking and NFTs, jumped 71% year over year. Why does this matter? Because it means Coinbase isn't just relying on volatile trading fees anymore. They're diversifying, building a rock-solid foundation. And with crypto adoption growing, that's huge. Oh, and speaking of adoption, Coinbase added millions of new users in Q4, pushing their total past 100 million. That's more people than the population of Germany jumping into crypto through Coinbase. Despite market swings, more folks are piling in, and Coinbase is grabbing a massive slice of that pie. Now, here's where things get spicy. There's serious talk that Coinbase could join the S&P 500. For those who don't know, the S&P 500 is the big leagues. Only the most stable, profitable companies make it. If Coinbase gets in, it's like Wall Street saying crypto is legit and we're all in. So, what would this mean for crypto? Simple, more institutional money. Big funds, pensions, hedge funds, they would pour cash into Coinbase stock. And since Coinbase is so tied to the crypto market, that confidence could spill over. Picture this. More money in Coinbase means more buying pressure on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. It's like a rising tide lifting every boat. Now, Coinbase isn't there yet. They need consistent profits and a solid market cap. But with their recent earnings, they're knocking on the door. If they make it, it could be a game changer for the entire crypto space. All right, let's get to the heart of it. How does Coinbase stock actually move crypto prices? It's all about sentiment. When Coinbase stock surges, it tells investors, hey, crypto is thriving. That triggers a chain reaction. More people buy crypto, trading volume spike, and prices climb. But if Coinbase stock tanks, it's like a red flag. Investors get spooked, selling picks up, and prices drop. Now, it's not just retail traders watching. Institutions use Coinbase as a proxy for the entire crypto market. If hedge funds are buying Coinbase stock, they're probably bullish on crypto too. And get this, Coinbase stock is up 40% since the 2024 US election. That's a huge signal that confidence is sky high. Let's back this up with data. Over the past year, Coinbase stock and Bitcoin have moved in lockstep. When Coinbase rallied in Q4 2024, Bitcoin hit new highs. It's not a coincidence, it's a pattern. Coinbase performance is like a leading indicator for the market. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the Trump administration. Trump's back, and he's all about making the US a crypto hub. His policies are seen as pro-crypto, and that's massive for Coinbase. They've been battling regulators for years, and now the tides are turning. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said on the earnings call that we're entering a new era for crypto. With a friendlier SEC and Congress, Coinbase could face fewer legal headaches, and more chances to grow. Think about it, fewer lawsuits, fewer fines, more innovation. That's a recipe for Coinbase stock to soar. And this regulatory tailwind could be the fuel that keeps Coinbase and the crypto market on an upward trajectory. Bitcoin's already pushing close to all-time highs, and altcoins are waking up. This could be the perfect storm for a bull run. Now, let's pump the brakes for a second. While the outlook is bullish, there are risks. First, competition is heating up. Robinhood, for example, reported an 8-fold increase in crypto trading revenue for Q4 2024. They're stealing market share with their commission-free model. If they keep this up, Coinbase trading fees could take a hit. Second, regulatory uncertainty isn't gone. Sure, the current admin is pro-crypto, but policies can flip, and global regulations like the EU's MiCA could still mess with Coinbase operations. Lastly, crypto markets are volatile. A sudden crash could tank trading volumes, and Coinbase revenue would feel the pain. So, while Coinbase is in a strong spot, it's not bulletproof. So, what's the bottom line for your portfolio? In the short term, Coinbase's strong earnings, S&P 500 buzz, and pro-crypto policies are bullish signals. If you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, this could mean another leg up. The market's already heating up, and Coinbase is fanning the flames. But here's the thing, correlation isn't causation. Coinbase is a key indicator, but it's not the only one. Watch broader trends like Bitcoin ETF flows or macro events. And always factor in your risk tolerance. Now, if you're thinking about buying Coinbase stock, remember, it's a leveraged play on crypto. It's riskier than holding Bitcoin directly, but if the market keeps rallying, the rewards could be massive. Just trade carefully and patiently. This is a marathon. In my opinion, never financial advice, Coinbase stock. It's a pulse on the crypto market, and the short-term outlook is bullish as hell. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights. Now, if you're looking to level up your DeFi game and unlock financial freedom, I've got something special for you. My ebook, Financial Freedom, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide, breaks it all down. The link's in the first pinned comment. Your support helps me keep bringing you quality content every day. Oh, and if you haven't already, check out my previous video linked in the card on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one.